Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 12-foot by 30-inch metal frame pool set with filter, 3-pack. At 12 feet wide and 30 inches in height, this metal frame pool is great for having friends and family over for to cool off. It's made of strong and durable material, Intex's high molecular Super-Tough PVC, which is highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. The pool set includes an Intex 530-gallon-per-hour filter pump, one Type A filter cartridge to keep your pool sparkly clean, and a helpful instructional DVD to help get you started. Product benefits: Drain plug accepts a garden hose to drain water away. Easy and convenient draining. Filter is equipped with the ground fault circuit interrupter, which is an added safety feature that shuts off the pump if electrical current is exposed to water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.